Guys, so yan yung mga big bike or yan, kita nyo guys, mga big bike na lalaki. Ayan ayan guys, yung mga big bike ng mga yung ating truck habang naghintay tayo ng rescue. Ayan guys, tingnan nyo guys yung mga big bike nila ganda. Ayan, makikita nyo guys ang gaganda ng mga big bike nila. Yan ang ganda ng kanilang big bike. Yellow, green, yellow, red, mga Harley Davidson. Diba? Ganda. May blue. Yan, black Harley Davidson. Yan, ganda. Yung big bike, diba? May white. May white guys. Yan ganda ng mga big bike nila, diba? Yung mga big bike na malaki. Ano, maganda yan. Yung mga big bike nila maganda. Hi.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. I take only the picture you.
Oh yeah. No worries.
Yeah. Where are you going?
Going to Vancouver.
Vancouver.
Yeah.
From where?
St. John.
St. John. How many days?
21.
21 days travel.
Yep.
Oh. Almost one.
12. Yep.
Safe.
Thank you.
Okay. Yan guys. Punta na sila ng Vancouver. You escort? Going there? Your escort?
Many times.
This one?
They come out for support. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. For veterans and first responders.
Oh. And then until with this one, where?
What's that?
Only here?
Yeah. Only here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your name for what's that?
Nothing
Oh.
for me.
I see this one is a
Very many.
veterans.
Yep. Many veterans.
Veterans Canadian. Yeah.
Yep. And
Hi.
fire and yep.
Yeah, I said about the big bike. Ito nga big bike nila guys. 21 days silang pupunta ng Vancouver. Yeah. Meron silang tanong. Yeah. Tignan nyo ang mga big bike nila guys. Maganda Baton Leader. Yan. Run for the wall. Yan. Ito yung kanila. Guys, ganda big bike nila. Yan. Ganda. Yan. Yun, mayroon silang sport na may batang nagtatabli-tambling. Ayan na.
Who with Linda B?
Okay. Ito yung mga bata.